David Phillips, do solemnly swear to discharge the duties of the President of the People's National Party faithfully, conscientiously, and diligently. In accepting that office, I undertake to discharge the duties in accordance with the Constitution of the People's National Party and to continue the sacred tradition of leading our party to achieve the objectives and purposes for which it was established. I further promise to respect and uphold the laws and Constitution of Jamaica and to be faithful and bear true allegiance to Jamaica and the people of Jamaica in whatever national office I hold. I also pledge that I will lead the party to accomplish the party's mission of nation building and build a Jamaica that works for all Jamaicans as we face the challenges of our time. And may God grant me strength and wisdom to uphold and maintain the traditions of service and integrity established by the party and to lead a unified team which will bring progress, peace, and justice to Jamaica land we love.